Notice. This is a medium-channeled spiritual writing combined with excerpts from factual science and space news. This article is not a definitive news story. We encourage each reader to do their own research and spiritual seeking to find their truth. We promote peace, love, freedom, abundance, and goodness for all beings of the earth.
Great beings of light, regarding the Sagittarius Gamma Ray Situation Update. Phase 1, Cygnus Bounce, Success, Cygni Plasma Beam enters Earth's magnetosphere. Detected? Absolutely, scientists stunned. Will any agency alert you? You know the answer. Phase 2, Gamma Radiation Ionized Cloud, originating from compressed magnetar, Sagittarius Gamma Ray 180620, blast fully impacts the biological body.
Questions asked to an ATST officer. Question: can you see this gamma wave as a bright light in the sky or when it hits the ground?
Answer: no. Not with your eyes, it is out of the visible eyesight spectrum. It can be observed with a GR telescope.
Is there some physical explosion we might see from this EMP blast?
No. It is a massive etheric toplet EMP designed to permeate the Milky Way galaxy for the purpose of 1. Forcing all low vibrations, for example the archons, into pure light for complete transmutation, and 2. Recoding human DNA molecules into strands of 5, 6, and up to 7 helixes. The lower you vibrate the later you get this. We are talking about days, however, not weeks or months.
Will there be earth changes caused from this wave?
Yes, but only after this high vibrational wave is completely anchored to the ground, and after this high frequency has exerted enough pressure on the Earth's core.
A few days from now is the answer we were given. Question: can you feel it?
Yes.
Multiple first-hand accounts from the ground crew High Council beings. Question: can you tell us what it feels like?
This gamma radiation literally splits the carbon atoms in the body and reassembles them as crystal. This is a form of universal surgery on all layers of the body. Imagine being awake during hospital surgery and not just feeling physically, but emotionally, in the mind, and in the soul, all at once at intense levels. This light brings your deepest issues right up in your face and forces you to do the right thing against all ego fears. The higher you vibrate, the faster you receive it, and the worse it hurts, for now, but you are able to hold this light and transmute it. A 3D unconscious human feels or knows nothing at this stage, but when it comes on them full force soon, many will go out of the body, by their choice as we said. Do not fear, but let source light change you from a caterpillar into a butterfly. The human race is being changed into an entirely new species, which is best described as angelic, and the transformation is slow and rough as it goes. The higher one's vibration, the faster you get to the end of all this, and no being is exempt from this ascension process in this universe. Advice: sleep. Do not resist this change, it truly hurts too much, so allow this wave to sweep over and do its work, and watch your emotional reactions. Nearly impossible. A technical science team member commented, "It would be better if everyone was alone today." One cannot comprehend the megatons of etheric garbage being cleared out of this realm, so with all the nasties coming out, things could be a bit tense during this process. The physical earth effects you want to see as proof, will show up after this human effect. Just hang tight. Ending notes about your loss of freedoms and why all of this energetic movement is transpiring on an intergalactic scale. Earth is the most precious place in this universe, hands down, and things can no longer wait. Unconscious humans can wake up, so the galactics have to move ahead and move fast. There is a boundary about to be crossed on planet Earth, where everything can be lost for good. It is hoped that this can be avoided for the future of humankind.
One small example. Question: will the archons who think they own the Earth, everything on it, you, and your children, make your First Amendment right to speak illegal today?
Yes. Go see if it was done last night while you were sleeping. More to come. Godspeed. Archangel Michael.
Disclaimer. This is a deeply channeled spiritual message from a being who was changed into a better form after a near-death encounter, and who can both listen and speak to beings from beyond the 3D illusionary realm. We only say what we hear, and we will not publish a thing if it doesn't come from the highest internal source and state of being. This message is not intended in any way to provoke fear, instead to bring hope that there is positive change, and the presence of intelligent benevolent sources assisting in humanity's toughest hour. We speak peace and love only, and ask everyone to do their own independent research and search for answers from their higher being that knows. Let the facts of what is being disclosed to each for their own knowing that there is major change in the heavens and on the earth. We know for sure this change is for good and for the betterment of every being. We believe that all beings have the ability to speak directly to Source, and each has a right to an abundant, peaceful, joyful life here on our beautiful planet. Thank you.